Welcome back to my channel. I am Pranjali. I am studying in UKG section. I am here today representing a milk on the occasion of World Milk Day. The white gold that's essential for a strong body and a healthy life. I am a part of balanced diet. I am full of vitamins and minerals. I make your bones strong. I give you the power and energy to play, run and jump. Calcium in me keeps your teeth healthy. I'm good for your bodies. I keep your skin healthy and glowing. I am nature's perfect drink. So you must drink me every day. Thank you. Bye bye.